Are you ready to feel like you again? Bioidentical hormones can help you get there. Hormones are involved in every metabolic reaction in the body. As we age, hormone levels decline and can contribute to symptoms that we often attribute to the normal part of the aging process. As hormone levels decline, we're more likely to experience weight gain, fatigue, depression, anxiety, joint pain, headaches, brain fog, bloating and gas, reduced muscle mass and decreased ability to recover after exercise, insomnia, and reduced libido. Men and women are now living longer than any generation before us. Prior to the 20th century, we used to die in our 50s and 60s, and mostly from infectious diseases. Now we're living well into our 80s and 90s, and we're more likely to die from chronic diseases, such as heart disease, strokes, diabetes, and complications from osteoporosis and dementia. Bioidentical hormones not only help to prevent the onset of these diseases, but also help to optimize the aging process by balancing hormones and restoring metabolic balance. Bioidentical hormones are derived from natural sources in the environment, and then in a laboratory they're made into hormones that have the same molecular structure as your body's own hormones. So when you take bioidentical hormones, your body can't tell the difference between the hormones you're taking and the hormones that it produces naturally. This results in more balanced hormones, optimal aging, and fewer side effects, if any. My name is Dr. Maggie Ney, and I co-direct the Women's Clinic here at the Akasha Center for Integrative Medicine. Together with my colleagues, Dr. Edison DeMello, Dr. Bren Boston, and Dr. John Mark Subseek, we can help determine if hormone therapy is right for you and help develop a personalized plan to help balance hormones and optimize the aging process. Because aging doesn't mean you can't feel your very best.